Okay, Rafael Davis here with Stephen Darling, and we're returning with the Real Man of Real Estate. So if you're just tuning in, we covered a lot of information over this last hour. We will try to recap some of it. You know, of course, we can't go back over all of it, but we will recap some of it, some of the important key points, you know, just in case you missed some of those things. I'm just basically sitting here having a conversation with my best friend and partner here, and we've covered a lot. And one thing I do want to be clear, I think right before the commercial break, I gave you a web address where you can actually reach us. So let me say that again just to make sure that I have it clear. So that's www.ddcapital.biz. Again, that's www.ddcapital.biz. That's for the private money portion of our company. And for the conventional side, it's www.yourdarlinglender.com. Again, that's www.yourdarlinglender.com. And if you want to reach us, if you want to talk primarily about the private money, we could also be reached at area code 619-279-2522. Again, that's 619-279-2522. And if you want to reach us for the conventional, that's area code 619-504-9983. Again, that's area code 619-504-9983. So with this new world we live in and the new technology, it doesn't matter where you're hearing this broadcast from. Just call those with the cell phone companies now, and it's free of charge. Back when we were kids, that was a long distance call. so you don't have to worry about that.
When we got
now.
in this industry, there wasn't even cell phones.
Right? So everything has definitely changed. So just to recap real quick, just want to go over some stuff. I won't take a lot of time. Steve, I'll actually kind of let you start. Just kind of recap some of the things we highlighted, highlight a few things that you think the audience and the listeners definitely need to know and not forget.
Absolutely. It's funny just mentioning that there wasn't cell phones. I was just thinking when I was doing loans in real estate, you had to have relationships with each of your investors, and it's kind of transitioned back into that, which I like. That's one thing that's unique about us is we are direct lenders. We have millions and millions of dollars of a line that we get to use for mortgages. We are wholesale lenders and brokers, which means we can shop with all of the biggest investors in the country and find the best deal for you. If our direct line isn't low enough, then we go and find the lowest rate possible. So when it comes to competition, I can't guarantee we can be beat, but I can say it's going to be real hard to beat us, because if you give us something and gives us the opportunity to beat it, we can beat it. We have that power, Absolutely. That availability. Majority of loan officers out there, they do not have that availability because they're held to a specific comp. Us as owners, brokers, and direct lenders, we get to choose. We can make almost nothing and give you a loan and be okay with that, because we're helping an individual that we know it's helping and that we're going to get referred business in the future. Absolutely. Right now, this market, rates are going up. They're going to continue to go up. Don't sit still. If you want to do a kitchen remodel, you need to get money to buy a car, you need to pay off debt, you want to pay off student loans, whatever that case may be, get going now. Go to our website, yourdarlinglender.com, for the conventional stuff. If you need money on an investment, we'll get into more of that later, but that's ddcapital.biz. Give us a call, get in contact with us, and especially when it comes to purchases, talk to your realtor, or if you are a realtor, we have tools and the knowledge, the wisdom. I used to think when I got in this business, I was 22, 23 years old, out there talking to clients, and I thought, you know what, it doesn't really matter that guy's been in the business 10 years, 15 years. Well, I was absolutely wrong. Number one, young and dumb. But 20 years of wisdom in this business goes a long way. Absolutely. And we have continually pushed to progress. We're never going to stop progressing, and we will always do our very best to learn and to obtain and to understand as much about this industry as we possibly can. And we always guarantee to give you our best. So if you need anything, FHA, especially in the military, we cannot thank you enough for your service. 60% of our business is with the military. We absolutely want to help you. We love you, and we thank you for what you do. Please contact us. conventional, non-QM, bank statement programs, self-employed. If you had the courage to go out on your own and open a business and you're trying to get a mortgage, contact us. We're here to help. Anything that has to do with any of those things, we would love the opportunity to earn your business and earn your business for a lifetime.
Absolutely. Man, you heard it right there. I don't want to echo it, but I mean, relationships matter. You know, having good people working for you in this field matters. You know, what Steven said about us being so competitive. You know, there was a time when I would tell people, and I say, hey, listen, just give me the opportunity, because that's what we look at it as. You know, we don't take it for granted. Anytime you come to us and this is a huge purchase and you trust us to do it, we want to do the absolute best job possible for you. But there was a time when I would just tell people, and I still tell them, I say, hey, look, I don't mind. Let me take a look at it. And while I'm doing that, feel free to go shop around if you need to, because, you know, that's one of those myths out there that, oh, you know, you're working with me now. And some people have said that, because not everyone, you know, has that type of integrity, but they'll have you believe that you can't look at other places. You can't shop around. They'll have you believe that, oh, you know, if you keep running your credit, it's going to go down. You know, you've already ran it with me. Now I have to do the loan, you know, and so they kind of bait and switch you, start you one way. And I'm not talking about any company or anyone in particular. We know this happens because the market overall largely has shown us that back in like 2008. So we know this kind of thing, these kind of predatory things happen, but with us, that's not the case. So I'll tell people, go ahead, feel free, shop around. I guarantee what we do, you know, and because, like Steve mentioned before, because we have millions of dollars to lend off, right, we can be very, very competitive and pretty much beat anyone. And all we, you know, want in return from you is just give us a referral. You know, we want to help you. We want you to get this. You know, it's a big thing to us. You know, we enjoy helping people. As I mentioned earlier, the more people we help, you know, the more we're able to also help our families. And that's the way we look at it. Steve, you got one last thing you want to say real quick before we wrap up?
No, I absolutely appreciate the listening ear. And if you need anything, please contact us. We get a lot of calls, a lot of questions, just statements, whatever the case may be. We're here to help. Please don't hold back. Email, call us, go to the website, however the method of contact works for you. Text us. We love to text. No issues there whatsoever. Just reach out, and we're going to be here for you.
Absolutely. And once again, that's www.yourdarlinglender.com, area code 619-504-9983, www.ddcapital.biz, area code 619-279-2522. Enjoy the rest of your day.